If you want to learn how to change the background in CapCut quickly and easily, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to import your footage, remove the original background, and add a new one so your video looks clean, creative, and professional. This is perfect for edits, short-form content, product videos, talking head clips, or any project where you want to replace a plain background with something more eye-catching. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more CapCut tips and editing tutorials. Alright, let's jump into it. First, open CapCut on your device. Once the app is open, tap New Project. This is where you'll start your edit by bringing in the video you want to work on. Now select the footage you want to use and upload it into CapCut. After your video has been imported, you'll see it appear on the timeline. This is where all the editing happens, so make sure your clip is selected before moving on. Next, it's time to remove the background. Click on your video clip in the timeline so the editing options show up on the right panel. From there, look for Remove BG. This feature is what CapCut uses to separate your subject from the background. Once you click Remove BG, choose Auto Removal. CapCut will automatically detect the person or object in your video and remove everything behind it. Depending on your clip, this may take a few seconds, but once it's done, your subject should be isolated and ready for a new backdrop. If the edges don't look perfect right away, you can fine-tune your edit later, but for most videos, the Auto Removal tool does a really good job. Now that the original background is gone, the next step is to add a new background. To do that, choose the image or video you want to use as your replacement background. Then click and drag that new background above the video layer on the timeline. This layering is important because the background needs to sit behind your main clip, not in front of it. Once it's placed correctly, your new background will show through behind your subject. You can resize it, trim it, or adjust it until it fits the style of your video. This is a simple but powerful way to make your content look more polished, more dynamic, and much more professional. If you want a more realistic look, try using a background that matches your lighting or the mood of your clip. For example, if you're creating a clean tech video, use a modern studio background. If you're making a fun social media edit, try a colorful or animated scene. Small changes like that can make a huge difference in how your final video feels. And that's it. You've now changed the background in CapCut. You imported your footage, removed the original background, and added a brand new one in just a few simple steps. If this tutorial saved you time, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more easy CapCut guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.